Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. On Pepe, I'm not covering Pepe every day anymore, especially over the last week or so, because Pepe mostly has just been consolidating. But yesterday, of course, we got a big dump, got a big drop. So just wanted to cover Pepe right here. Wanted to give you my thoughts. Wanted to give you my most likely scenario from here. Although I gotta be honest and I gotta be clear. After a move like this, like for Pepe, the reaction so far has been decent. All right, so what you can see is that we're holding, like we had a very strong support level at 12,500 with the 200 EMA, the 382 FIB, and just in general, it's a psychological support level. So from there, we're getting some strong support, and that's great to see. But the market as a whole, like if you look at Bitcoin, if you look at all the major cryptos, they're holding support levels, but they're not really gaining any momentum. And the price is also not bouncing back very quickly. Now, I said it also this morning in other videos that might be because it's the weekend, all right? So it could be that Monday we return to be very, very bullish. That's a possibility. But for now, it's not the ideal reaction. So Pepe has a great support level, but there's no real momentum. I mean, if you go to the 1 hour time frame, you can see, well, all right, we're doing something. We got a minor bullish breakout maybe in the last 2 hours. But we need more confirmation. And in general, we need more confirmation of direction from the markets. So that makes it difficult to predict. Just that's the truth. Now, if you look at Pepe, I think we are gaining some nice momentum here. And I think in general, and that's perhaps the most important part, I think Pepe right here has a very strong support level. All right, so what you tend to see after a drop like this in the weekends is that you don't get a lot of movement. Now, I do think you need to be careful. All right, so if keep your eyes on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin really starts to fall down below 68,800, then we have a problem. All right, because if Bitcoin keeps dumping, which is not out of the question, or which is not out of the picture, that is a possibility, then Pepe will fall down below 12,500 and start to fall down towards 11,500 and 11,000 down here. So is that a possibility? Yes. Do I expect it? No. Right? For two reasons. It's the weekend, so volatility usually drops down a bit, especially on Saturday. And then hopefully tomorrow we have somewhat more of an idea of what to expect based on the price action today, even though it's not going to be much. I know that's a bit paradoxical. But based on that and the strong support level, and just in general, Pepe has been very, very strong in the past, also after drops like these. Right, so what I expect is some sort of a consolidation down here, perhaps some sort of a retest or a quick rally up to 14,000 and 13,700. That's a possibility, especially after a drop like this. But for the real continuation, so whether we can actually hold the support, consolidate, and start a new uptrend, or whether we will hold the support and get a bearish breakout a bit later next week. For that, we have to wait until tomorrow evening, probably, or even Monday morning. All right, because then we will get new volume into the markets. Right now, volume is up, obviously, because of the crash, but it's since this morning, it's been dropping. It's going to continue dropping, and then on Sunday, Monday, we'll get some new volume into the markets, new capital. And based on the direction and of that volume, of those positions, we can say a little bit more. All right, so for now, this is what I expect. Be careful, keep your eyes on Bitcoin. If you do that, you'll be fine. But for now, I think that's everything you need to know. All right, so if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.